Hi guys, happy Thursday morning and good night.
Hello, guys.
How are you guys doing? Uh, Last night, actually, I don't know, Alvin, if you watch basketball, but Knicks has
Oh
like a
shit.
crazy comeback.
Yeah. Even I'm not a big fan of any NBA team, but so many of my friends watching the whole game closely. So I know the result and how's the process. Wow, it's so way beyond words.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
I was literally watching the first half, right? And then after the halftime, the the scores were still like 27 or 30 difference. So I was like, okay, let's go home. And then I
Uh,
went home,
it's
stopped
like it's
watching
like
the
a third
basketball.
third quarter, right?
Yeah, and I'm like, oh, what's going on?
No, nobody knows.
Yeah, and then eventually it has like a crazy comeback. And then afterwards, like
Yeah.
trying to
Wow.
watch the last quarter of the game, and Knicks just won. I just can't believe it. I mean, is this even a real world? Come on.
Yeah. That's what we
Yeah.
call the game isn't over yet, so we can give up until the last minute. Yeah.
I mean, I don't understand. Actually, I really don't understand. And I start to question, oh, whether this is related to like, polymarket. I don't want to say polymarket, but sports betting is like much bigger, right? And it has been like historically.
Mm.
But let's not talk about that perspective. Let's just like celebrate Knicks has a win. Because I do live in New York, and I see all the people so
Oh,
excited on Twitter or on the street. Like
for
New York
sure, for
City
sure.
has been crazy for the last couple of days because of the game. And then also gonna have like
Mm.
World Cup. So it's a very crazy, I should say, like spring/summer for New York City right now.
Yeah.
And I'm proud. I'm proud. Okay. I'm honored and proud of the next team.
Yeah. So many things gonna happen these months. What a big month.
Yeah. And I also went to the Ethereum conference yesterday, but maybe because it was the
Oh,
last day of it, I didn't. I saw a couple of friends there, but I didn't see like many people participating. Uh, I
I see.
guess like people are just not paying attention to crypto. Like even on the
Uh,
timeline, you don't see people talking about the pricing of like Bitcoin or Hyperliquid anymore. Like it's just a weird
mm,
time, Alvin, to be honest. But
mm, it's understandable because the price, no matter the price and the sentiment, is so weak right now, and many things happening this year. So still need take some time to recover. Mm.
did you see people were like talking about Oracle because like they are saying, oh, because Oracle closed his shot at 72, like when high is 72, and he reversed his transaction to longing hype. And then now we are seeing like hype coming down from like 75 to
Oh,
52,
I, I
56,
didn't I
55.
didn't see I didn't see he even long hype after the closing of the trade.
Yeah, he's longing. He's longing. So
So
I
he,
saw
so
people
is
talking
he
about the
becoming
trend.
another James Swain or much?
I don't know. People are saying he is like the counter signal. I don't think so. I disagree actually. I mean, as everybody know, right? I'm Lonnie Hype, but I disagree. I think like Lorco is just one of the traders, and he obviously has
Mm.
a large position, right? No matter in spot or in perp. I guess
Yeah,
like it's fun to watch his positions, but people, I don't think anyone should take that as a like signal or counter signal.
yeah, sure, sure. We can directly see all the trading records on chain to see he was holding a lot of spots height, nearly over
Yeah,
50 million. Mm.
but we should not ignore that this guys the war
Oh.
is back. We thought the
Mm.
war was over, but then Trump is basically saying we're taking over the island. Yeah. I
Mm.
just think the war gonna last like not next couple months, but like next couple of years.
Mm.
Oh, sorry. My allergy reaction for the last several days is so strong. But doesn't matter whether we have a war or not. If you want to see the oil price, it doesn't move, guys. It doesn't move. Doesn't really matter anymore.
Yeah.
So take it as your wish. I think like nobody, at least like I don't see many people talking about the war anymore on my timeline. More people are just talking about SpaceX. And
Yes.
SpaceX IPO is
Only one
tomorrow.
day left. Yeah, and so many exchanges offering this time, and it's the biggest IPO we have
Yeah.
ever seen in history. So yeah, and
SpaceX
I
is already like four
already
times oversubscribed.
I already saw many pigeons and KOLs showing their investment about the deal. Yeah.
Mm, I mean, um, I think like there are so many ways to participate in this like IPO right now, especially in crypto, because you have like Gate, you have Kraken, you also have
Yep. And even Binance. Yeah, Binance Alpha or it
mm,
even offered the deal. The news just announced today. Yeah,
but I
I
think
think
like every single exchange is charging you at least 5% for the processing fee.
yes, yes.
So the cheapest you can get is at 140.
Hmm.
Because assume like the IPO price is 135, then 5%. Oh, it's not. It's more than it's 142 point something.
Yeah, so for to many people still over 10% difference between the current price and the top and the offer price. So that's why many people prefer like investing lots of money to bet on uh the profit. Yep.
But I think if you are just buying the IPO to get the difference between the IPO price and the SpaceX price on Hyperliquid, probably I feel like that's almost the wrong reason unless you have a very large position of spot secured. Then the difference is meaningful.
Hmm. Yeah.
I also see like Vita has opened a short position
Short.
to
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
short
Me
SpaceX
too.
like 200K,
Yeah.
right?
There's another bigger wallet. Keep keep trading, keep shorting it. Uh,
You mean the one other than Vita? Like, yeah,
yeah,
I
much
saw that
bigger.
news too. Probably
I
that
saw
person
the
has like a large
Arcon.
spot volume.
Yeah,
Probably that person
it's a
has a
three
large
time.
like spot position.
Exactly. It's the shorter called when you eight 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 eight.
I guess I
Um,
understand if you don't want to like long SpaceX when it's doing the IPO, but I think it's even higher risk to short it because you never know how large the retail hype gonna be on the first day of IPO.
yes.
Mm. And people are already saying like SpaceX is 4 times oversubscribed by both retail and institutional users.
Yep. And the scale of the order is like 5.7 million, 2x short of SpaceX. So big.
Oh, I saw that. It's like the user 1U8888 there's 78,
This
right?
is.
The whole like 5.7 million. I see. For
Hmm.
real? Nah, I'm bearish on this.
Yeah,
I'm bearish on this
Arham
trade.
shared the address. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm bearish on that trade. But I mean, if he's just like trying to lock in the price and like earn the spread, sure.
Hmm. Yeah. We don't have much information about the real status of the address. So
True. To with that information as you wish. On the other hand, hype has been a bit weak lately. You're right. Of it.
yes.
Like
Is
it didn't have like a decent rebound yet.
yeah, it's much weaker than stocks these days.
Mm, 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 mm.
Um, the stock market just opened and Intel rebounds back. Yeah, a little bit, and follow with the semiconductor index.
Yeah, SNDK is almost back to the previous level.
Oh,
And
damn. Yes.
and same was DRAM. I think DRAM is like $60 already this morning as I checked.
Mm.
But MU is dragging. See, DRAM is already back to 60, but MU is still, I guess, like a bit volatile around the range like 900 to 940. But I'm not too worried about
Yes.
MU, to be honest. MU has
Yeah, me
shown
too.
pretty significant like strength during the last 2 days. Like the lowest it got was 880, and then it also like there was one day it bounced back to 1000. So after
Mm.
people are saying like after the liquidity of like the SpaceX IPO coming back to the market, then we're gonna see very significant like bounce back for all those like major stocks.
Yes.
On the other side, you also don't know like whether the stock will be splitted by MU.
Mm.
But people are arguing about like how trade XYZ traded the price difference of the SpaceX for they not rebasing the share price on trade.xyz for SpaceX, and then so there was like a 10% difference between the Binance price and the SpaceX price on Hyperliquid, so people were arbitraging it. But now like there's no difference, and then people are saying like trade.xyz shouldn't treat the rebasing of the stock price like that. And then I do think like
Yeah.
this morning they are talking about it and say, oh, they wouldn't do that because in the future, if there's like a stock price split, then what they're gonna do? They should tackle all those like price difference precautiously. Otherwise, like the retail
Mm.
users will lose money out of nowhere. The 10% spread, okay, retail users are okay to eat it up. But what if they split the stock, then that would be like 100% of difference.
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah,
And there are many
but
people worry about the distraction of funds in the market because of the SpaceX IPO. But if most people tend to just do the arbitrage about the um uh the IPO price and the current price, I don't think they will like do a big change to the volatility of the market right now.
mm,
Yeah. So still depends on the result of FOMC next week. Yeah.
mm. Me personally, I mean, I don't think Wash gonna increase the interest rate. Yesterday, there was like a journalist asking Trump, does he like the high interest rate? And Trump was like, yeah.
Okay.
Seriously,
Yes.
you didn't see that news? I was like, okay, interesting. Mm.
Yeah. Trump is always like this. So yeah.
But let me see, when is the next game 5? I think it's tomorrow or something. Oh, Oh, it's Saturday at 8:30 p.m. Next in five. Next in five. I don't know how crazy New York City gonna be if like next one like Saturday. It will be I will definitely go out on the street and watch all the people go crazy and happy and a celebration.
Yeah. When is the next game?
Saturday, this Saturday.
Oh,
So
Saturday.
2 days
Okay.
from now. Yeah.
Mm, wow. People just cannot expect the result like this. Yeah. Because so many of my friends are big fan of Spurs.
Really? If
Yeah.
you are
Nearly 70 or 80%. And some of them support Spurs like since 10 years ago. Yeah, since when we are still the students. Yeah.
Mhm. If you are a Spurs fan right now, I recommend you don't watch the game in a public space because
Yeah.
definitely like nobody is cheering when Spurs score anything. And then you see like if you watch near like MSG, then people literally they're gonna tear apart your jersey, your
Oh.
Spurs jersey. It's not a joke.
Mm. Yeah, I saw a video like this, kind of this last week.
Yeah, just like fly out or just watch it at home. I mean, this is like I guess like safety recommendation, right?
Yeah, but
Uh,
I'm neutral, so yeah, so
you're
totally
neutral.
okay for
Oh
me.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm biased because of where I live.
Mm, makes sense.
But let's continue to watch the market. Yeah, everybody is talking about SpaceX coming IPO. People are still speculating, but I don't think anyone is like giving any good reasons of like whether they are longing or shorting SpaceX. I mean, it's just this is just like what's
Sentiment
going on.
matters. Sentiment matters.
I think at the end of the day, it's a game of like what do you expect other people to do? It's like other people's expectation, right? Do other people expect SpaceX to go up on the first IPO day, or do other people expect that SpaceX to go down? And then you derive your action based on other people's expectations.
Yeah. I saw a big KOL sharing, he put like nearly 5 million for the IPO investment and saying, oh, 带比特吧, one of the
Mm-mm.
Chinese KOL. He
Yeah.
say, why don't we bet another big deal when we are still in crypto space? Yeah.
Mm.
Yes.
I yeah, I already placed my bets, guys. I already placed my bets, so it's fine.
Mm,
Tomorrow, let's see.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Did you place your bets?
Yeah, I surely participated, but I don't think we can receive like many shares about it. So still prefer um, picking up in a much lower price after trading after open trading. Mm.
Mm, I see. I see. I don't know if there's much lower price. That's my
Yeah.
concern. Yeah, that's why
Yeah.
I already pick it up, and I am willing to be the ape this time.
Yeah. I also think many people um, buying this option. Yes.
When is the IPO? I think tomorrow 9:30 a.m. probably Eastern time.
Maybe.
And then now
Um,
people are talking about
each
SpaceX
each
IPO.
exchange exchange
Mm.
each exchange has their own different ending time for the investment. So
Yeah, Robinhood sent out like an announcement yesterday saying they are wrapping up the registration of the interest for the SpaceX IPO yesterday Eastern time afternoon. So it's already like there. I think they are already doing the accounting.
Oh, yeah. And most changes may end like tomorrow, maybe like 12 hours left tomorrow night.
Mm. I mean, supposedly you as a retail user, you would. I think you will know on the day tomorrow. Uh, but it's also a very like opaque game, meaning I just don't think that the whole process is that retail friendly.
Yep.
Yeah. While we're speaking, Gemini just sent a tweet said, "Oh, SpaceX set to open for public trading tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. ET." Yes. And then there's like I think 2x leveraged long and short ETFs for also launching tomorrow at the same time
Yeah.
in Europe.
It's very smart for them to embrace volatility and the trading volume. Yeah.
Yeah.
Initially.
We're gonna
And it
see
surely will be the biggest time for them.
we're gonna see the big swings of the price for SpaceX. Damn.
Yep. Yep. Oh, I can share some interesting stats about the ETF trading these days about the um semiconductor one and the let me see.
Yeah, do you want
Share
to
the
share your
chart.
screen?
Yes. Oh, S&P 500.
Damn.
Yep, I already shared. Yeah, the chart shows the level of speculation has never been larger in the US market. We can
Mm.
see the leverage ETF share volume is way higher than ever. It's it's crazy actually. Actually, it echoes the phenomenon we mentioned a lot of times previously. This for this year, every kind of asset is sort of different from before. Yeah, assets like gold or even oil is getting much more volatile than ever, and more close to crypto. Every asset is more close to crypto this year, yeah, including stocks. Yeah, so we can see like the trading volume of these ETF is over 1,000% since the start of the year, 10x, yeah, including these ETFs like S&P 500 and semiconductor ETF. Yeah.
Mm.
So that's one of the reason. Maybe it's one of the reason the price down a lot last week. It's crazy.
Because everybody is levered up, even the stock market participants.
Yes.
Mm. And then people were also like expecting the Korea market to be going down, but I think like Kospi just is doing well,
Yeah,
you
not so
know,
much.
right?
Yeah.
If I check the price for Kospi, okay, let me. Can you guys see?
Yeah.
It's like 5 days. So highest it went to like 8,300, right? And then da da da, and it went down to 7,400, and now it's back to, oh, it's still down. like 1,000 points or
Yeah,
800
the
points.
stock market has a circuit breaker mechanism, right? So it happened like one or two times
Yeah, it's
in these
down
weeks.
like 6 or 7% from the highest point, but that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Um, not that much as we expected.
Yeah.
Only 10%? Yeah, 10%.
No, 7% from the highest point.
7%.
Yeah, 7%.
Ah,
That's it.
yeah.
Is the worst already over?
I don't know.
I think so. I think so, temporarily. I think the local minimum has been reached. So now we only look up only
Yeah,
for the
but I
next
want
couple of weeks.
to discuss the how we see the valuation of big companies. I think there will be a big change about the angle how we see all these, no matter AI factory or LLMs or AI supply chain companies, because
Mm,
the things uh happen after like Brocon's financial report, Oracle financial report, things change a
mm,
little bit. Yeah, and we can see um like the market is becoming different than ever.
mm. I mean, the reason why people always want to, I guess, like talk about the financial modeling of how to evaluate a company's value is because, like, in value investing, there's a concept called
Mm,
value, and then in value investing, the core ethos is that okay, you want to buy the stock at a price where like it's cheap, and then sell it like when it's more expensive. Or in growth investing, it's more like, oh, you project that the company gonna grow so much, so that like you not only do an estimation of the current value of the company price, but also you estimate the
yeah,
company's future like revenue stream within the next 6 to 12 months. And then so no, in
or even
both
longer,
approach,
like 3 to 5 years.
no, I mean, in both approach, you are doing like evaluation for the current value and the future revenue stream value. So that's why, like, I guess like the discussion of like how we evaluate the value of the company is important. Mm.
Yes. And the financial report all shows growth like 2 digits, even 3 digits, but some price just down a lot. So I think because um the composition of valuation is different. Some is based on the real cash flow, and some are based on the debt. They need more money to build um factory for their materials. Yeah.
Mm. Mm. I think it's all attention economy in a way. Who has attention? Who has the capability to get money from the market, and then essentially I think it will be winning the capital game in a way.
Yeah, we can see some CPO related stocks called by Liquidity. Though the concept is challenged by some research teams like semi-analysis, but we can see the price still not down a lot, like Light or COHR, some yes, it's kind of companies.
Yeah, Oracle has such a, I think 12% or 10% decrease after yesterday's earnings report, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Well, it's still,
Mm.
wow. Seriously, I'm pulling up the pricing charts.
Mm.
almost 10%.
Yeah, it's a big drop. But their financial report is good.
What does it say?
So that's why many people rethink the structure of um, the revenue from all these big companies. People are not purely chasing the positive revenue anymore. They are chasing the revenue based on the logical business. Yeah.
Taking a look.
Yeah.
Is it like Oracle saying they are going to raise 40 billion for selling equity?
I see.
Because the Oracle says like in year 2027, which is next year, they expect to raise approximately 40 billion through a combination of debt and equity financing. So they're gonna borrow or they're gonna sell equity just for financing 40 billion from the market.
Wow.
Maybe that's the main reason why like the stock price is down.
Hmm. Yeah, we can see more and more companies are raising debt for their upcoming businesses or any other new products rolling out.
But I mean,
But
even
they,
Google is planning to raise
yeah,
money, right?
Google is the first one.
Mm-mm.
Yeah,
Where
for
is the
so
money going to come from?
yeah, for traders and market, not purely see this as a positive news.
Yeah, they beat the revenue. They have like earnings beat. They even have the EPS beat, but the stock still dropped. Damn.
Hmm. Yeah, so I think it's the raising that news affecting the price
Mm-mm.
finally. Yeah, it's just like if we are in a cram school full of smart students, teacher will see how you will check the cost of different of each one, and and the mighty one will cost like much less money than others and get a better result. So even everyone like has a good score finally, but if someone cost is much higher than others, yeah, teacher will not choose them in the end.
You are saying basically there are just like too many stocks to pick from. So you don't only have to be beating the earnings report. You almost have to be exceptional or doing something
Mm,
different so that like people
yes,
gonna the capital gonna flow to you.
yeah.
Mm.
I think there
True.
will be the trend in the future. Like funds will be more concentrated, just like um attention game.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just like how all the people are just talking about SpaceX, nothing else.
Yeah, just like storage. We only talk about Panics, Micron, and SanDisk. Yeah,
Mm.
that's it.
I mean, to be honest, like people are only buying those stocks like in a storage. There's no I haven't heard other things yet.
Yeah, mm. That's a special industry because all these three like stand for um over 80% of percentage of the whole market.
Yeah, if you look, you see like SanDisk, the for this time, right? The I guess like the trace of the stock is like from almost like 1900 back to 1500, but then after several days, it's already back to the level of like almost 1800. Like it's like 7.5,
Mm,
17.5.
yes.
So I guess I mean I don't know whether you want to long it from here, but don't short it.
Yep.
Hmm. Yeah, it's K Hynix. People are also circulating the news that like SK Hynix is seeking listing in the US stock market, and then the earliest will be like, okay, SEC gonna approve it, its listing in June, in July, and then the earliest will be like, okay, they can list it to like US market earliest in August this year, 2 months from now.
Mm, yep.
Will that be like a positive news? Do you remember what happened when Baba says like they're gonna list it in the US stock market? I mean, there were a couple of
Um,
like stocks they were originally first listed in the Chinese market, and then after that they seek listing in the US. I'm not sure like how whether there will be a different pattern when South Korea stock seek listing in the US.
oh, I don't know.
We
Mm,
it's an interesting thing to monitor, and
yes.
we should see if we are able to draw a pattern. But to be honest, personal experience, I think like most of the Chinese IPOs that seek liquidity in the US did not end up well
Oh,
for the stock
yes.
price,
Mm,
right?
yes.
And then okay, let's just pull out Baba. Oh my god.
Here's another interesting list. Fortune 100 crypto just just announced today, and we can talk a little bit about this.
Which one?
Fortune.
Which one? What is it? It's like a new listing?
I was curious about. Yeah, let me show.
Mm.
When I see the list, when I see the name of the list, I'm wondering, are there still 100 companies in crypto space? But I threw to AI
Oh, there's an
to.
index.
Oh,
Can they do like an index of like crypto 100 company, but it exclude hyperliquid Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then I would 100% short that index.
got it. But it's there are so many fintech companies got included
Oh, I
in the
see. I see.
list.
So it's not just like I guess like a lot of those like larger companies, they are not focusing on crypto market anymore. They are doing more like traditional finance integration.
Yes, I threw to AI to help me to categorize it, and nearly half of the list are institutions and payment giants. Yes, so only like half of the list are crypto native companies.
Yeah, crypto companies are becoming the I guess an important factor or important like fundamental infra for traditional finance.
Yes.
But that's it. Mm. We are
Stable
not
coins.
getting the distribution from the traditional finance. They are taking it. They are maybe they're adopting the technology, but they are not willing to give away their distribution.
Yeah, crypto services, DAT and ETF, mining. Oh, some are hot stocks people are trading recently.
Hmm.
Core Scientific, Iron, Congo, Clean Spark. Mm.
Mm.
Oh, there's another version. 2 years ago. 40.
Is it going well? The Fortune 40? No,
Maybe
that
not.
still looks very traditional finance. The list.
Wow, so many companies are dead right now.
Yeah. I mean, we are not hearing from those NFT companies anymore.
Yeah.
Yuga Labs, no.
But I just found it, many people are starting to buying back these NFT again these days.
Which
Like
NFTs?
board apps, Azuki, board apps,
Right now?
Azuki.
Okay.
Yeah, these 2 weeks. I don't know why. Maybe it's the
Suspect.
sea. We are so bearish right now. So it's much cheaper than ever to buy the NFT.
Do you still hold any NFTs, Alvin?
Yes,
Oh,
Mallets.
which NFTs are you holding? Now I'm curious.
Mallets going to zero already.
Malas.
Like 10 soul, 10 only 10 souls right
Malas
now.
are the released by BP, right? Or
Yep.
is it like just look at how BP's tokens behaving, and I still see KOLs on my timeline talking about BP. I'm like, guys, how much money are they paying you guys to talk about BP? Stop talking about that fucking thing.
Mm, yeah. I, I I
I
also
mean,
don't know
seriously,
why
seriously,
things.
right? They obviously, when they launched the token, they didn't care about any users, anyone, anyone, and then it's just like going down only. Okay, let's take a look at their token, and then what is what is their token even called?
Actually, it's BP. Yeah. And actually the price may bounce back a little bit after they announced their out of bay function last week, but the market
Okay,
cap's still not so high.
so
Maybe 300
the
million.
when they launched it, it was like 0.22. Now it's 0.23, and then the FDV is like 230 million.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe it will bounce back, but I have no personal interest in this, or neither do I want to talk about it.
Yeah, mm, I don't know. I also don't know why. I think they have a great resources in the background, but didn't catch up the opportunities well in this cycle.
True. I think if you want to do a token launch, then you should have like a better plan. But it's hard to judge from uh how where this
Yeah,
is going right now.
the market also very bad at the time. Yeah, so it's very difficult for them.
And this year, I am not going to put a lot of attention on DeFi tokens at all, because I'm just like, I just don't think anyone is paying attention. Like, maybe you will be able to find some good opportunities, right? But I just don't have that phase right now. Look at Aave token. Is it reaching its lowest?
Mm.
It's
Yeah, I
the
think.
highest.
Oh shit! Oh, 62?
It is.
I haven't checked the price of Aave so so long.
Take a look at
Really?
Uni.
Yeah. Maybe Hive will be everyone's only choice on DeFi
I
related tokens this year.
think so. Think so. 100%. I agree.
Yeah.
So I'm not
But
going
I
to
will
put.
still keep an eye on some teams I'm interested in, like Pendo or yeah, any
Hmm,
other OG teams. Yeah.
true. I guess I will pay attention to their product for sure, but not the token.
Yeah, it's hard.
Panel is down from 2.2 to 1.2. And then maybe we take a look at Ando. I mean,
I think Ando is great. Yeah,
Panel and
especially
Ando, they are big
oh,
on the RWA narrative, and then they are big on those like revenue stream, but still, token is just like drawing the doors.
mm. Yeah.
Yeah. We have, I mean, at this point, we have to admit like the attention just not there, no matter what you do it. Oh, do you know 币安人生? I think I see people talking about it.
Yeah. Well, it pumped a lot, like 4 to 5x in 2 weeks.
But
Oh, actually, we
nobody,
can talk about another race from Morpho. I think there will be a big news for the DeFi products or projects in the future because they raise another round valued at
150 million.
Yeah, 2 billion valuation, I think.
But you guys need to understand, like, no matter how much money they are raising, right? It's not going towards, or it's not going to reflect it on their token price. Like the money they're
Yes.
raising is
It's different.
yeah. And have they disclosed, is this like an equity raise or what is it for the Morpho raise? Let's see. I'm gonna read the news, okay? Morpho Association raises 175 million from all the investors here. Co-led by Paradigm, A16Z Crypto, and Ribbit. Participation from Apollo Funds, Soko Ventures, Vanek, Ledger, Cathy, and other strategic investors. Where does it say? It doesn't say. It's definitely not a token raise. It's an equity raise.
Oh, equity raise. Okay.
I don't know. It doesn't say. It doesn't say it. Yeah, it doesn't say it, but I think it's an equity raise.
Oh.
It's more raise. Yes, Morpho relies on equity funding rounds to raise capital through its governance, though its governance is decentralized. Correct. Yeah, the shareholder-free entity called the Morpho Association. The protocol itself is overseen by a decentralized shareholder-free entity called Morpho Association. Oh, so so the Morpho Association absorbed its formal corporate entity to govern the protocol entirely through its native Morpho token. Let me read this through. All the news. The investment was for Morpho's cryptocurrency. Okay, so it's a token raise and valued the protocol at up to 2 billion. Investors bought at the token's average monthly price, and the exact cost depended on when participants put in their checks. So it's a token raise. 175 million token raise. What's Morpho's price? I mean, the FDV of the Morpho is like 2 billion. So itself is already accounted for 10 less than 10% of the full like FDB.
Yep. Price right now is about 1.93. Yeah. Close to it.
Does that mean it has like less selling pressure? I'm
Maybe.
not sure.
Maybe.
But what's the more of those token economics? Let's see. Now I'm curious.
You mean the Morpho itself?
Yeah. So the DAO controls 35.4%, founders control 15.2%. This is a Mobile Association reserve is 6.3%. Basically, they it's like the DAO or DAO governance control. So the DAO is transfer token. Okay. Why there are two more photo? Okay, interesting. But but how about like Morpho's revenue? Is it like contributing back to?
When I saw the news, I regarded as the like the DeFi infra for
嗯
白牌交易所. It's like Morpho can be many of that be the infra of many of the institutions wanna get into the crypto space. Help them to distribute or be the integrator of the financial services they need. Yeah, for bank, um,
嗯。
portfolio manager and pension funds.
So right now, Morpho doesn't contribute any of its like revenue to the token itself, but the Morpho Blue does have a smart contract feature known as a fee switch. So if like the
Mm.
community governance they enable the fee switch, then the DAO can vote to activate that fee switch. It's just like not activated yet. So maybe that's like part of the procedure where like, okay, first people acquire the token, which is more like the DAO ownership to make it look more decentralized. And second, maybe they will turn the fee switch on. But you're right, like as an important like a lending market, uh people want like some more governance power over it.
Mm. Oh, there are also some news about Aave these days.
What
They launched
what are they?
another risk friend about the exploit happened previously, and also native BDC will be accepted as a new kind of collateral for Aave V4. Wow.
Mm-mm.
Yep.
Hyperliquid perpetuals are now live on Kaoshi. Really? Is that true?
Oh,
Yeah.
I saw some discussion about the outcome. before on Hyperliquid about the World Cup. Let me see.
Yeah, there's already some markets, and there's also
Hmm.
like NBA final game,
Oh,
and then you have like
interesting.
World Cup. Yeah, we can take a look.
Yeah.
Can you guys see?
Yes.
The volume is still not big, but we start to see it, right? You see the World Cup
Hmm.
for Mexico, South Africa. You have NBA Finals game. And then people are betting on like Spain to be the World Cup champion. I see. Interesting. Hmm. Da, da, da. Oh, I also saw like I think like someone who was betting on the game last night. Like they bet like 9,000. Next game they won like 300K or something eventually, or even more.
Oh.
For because that was like a crazy comeback for Knicks.
Hmm. Why cannot I like search the all accumulated markets on Hyperliquid?
You don't
Because
see
of
it? What do you mean? It's
so
right here.
weird.
You need to change the tab here.
Yeah, I cannot see the outcome.
You don't have that. Is it because you're in Taiwan?
May, yeah, maybe. I'm good, I guess.
I mean, do you want to turn on your VPN and try like just turn on your VPN to US or to like some other countries?
Yeah, let me try Japan. Oh, it works. Ah.
Yeah, Taiwan. I think there's like more severe regulation in Taiwan for prediction market. And then there's
Hmm.
generally more severe or serious like regulation for the prediction market in East Asia. It's I think it's also the similar thing in South Korea, if I remember it correctly. Mm. And then in like for
Oh.
mainland China, definitely you cannot have prediction market at all. Like you're gonna go to jail.
Hmm.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm. The interesting thing is like so whatever things like it's banned in China, right? Then the US is promoting it. Or the other way,
Yeah.
right? I also think like maybe several weeks ago, all the AI generated like short films in China was like really hot, but I think like it's the government start to ban it because it's already causing too sharp of a drop in the labor market. So in order to like make sure okay people still feel safe and stabilized, like and they are banning those tools or at least like decreasing the usage of those tools in mainland China. Yeah. Versus in the US,
Hmm.
like all the startups are just starting to apply the AI models to generating those short films. Like we 100% are seeing the two extreme spectrum of like what's going on.
So complicated.
uh, with that being said, I mean, Alvin, I'm so excited for the SpaceX IPO tomorrow. I think it will be like a very interesting day.
Hmm.
All eyes on
Sure.
SpaceX and Elon Musk.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shall
Um.
we?
It also
Mhm.
means we are getting to another new era of human being.
Oh, you mean the Martian stuffs?
Yeah.
Yes, rockets, Martians. Let's go, guys. I mean, I'm
Robotics.
excited. I'm really excited
Me too.
for the IPO, and hopefully like no matter whether you have placed your bet or not, hope everybody gonna have like a great weekend. And then for next
Mm,
Monday, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be able to have a lot of materials to talk about SpaceX or about the overall market on Monday. And then we will
yep.
also bring in like the updates on the war, the aftermarket for the IPO, whether the liquidity for the US stock comes back. I think my personal opinion, or maybe I'm biased, right? I think the answer is yes, but we will see.
You mean the
Cool.
answer for interest cut?
Um, yeah, that's I mean that's part of the formula. I'm just saying I think like we're gonna see another like uptrend for the overall US stock market. That's just like personal bet.
Hmm. Nice. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good. But we will see. We will see. Guys, have a great weekend. Touch some grass. And we will surely be back on time on Monday morning.
Yes. See you guys next week. Enjoy.
See you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.